Welcome back to another Artistic Vegan show. If you're new here, I'm Christa Clark and I run the blog artisticvegan.com. And today in the kitchen, we are featuring a vegan and gluten-free fritter. And the flavor is gonna be carrot and pea. And we're gonna bring it to life with some radishes, a little bit of onion, some fresh herbs, including cilantro, and just a touch of mint. That's our secret ingredient to really bring the flavors to life, and you won't know why. And then we also have some vegan buttermilk, which is just dairy-free milk of choice. I use cashew, and some apple cider vinegar. You could also use lemon or lime juice. And then you'll also want a vegan egg. It's just flax meal and water, about a tablespoon of flax meal, 3 tablespoons of water. And then some of your favorite flour. I'm using amaranth flour. It's gluten-free and it's also filled with a lot of protein. So that's a win. And then we also have some baking powder, salt, pepper, and dill. And so that's everything that you need. You really don't need that many ingredients. First, I'll add my dry ingredients and give them a mix together. Then add all of your vegetables. Give it a mix. Add your vegan egg. Then just add your vegan, quote unquote, buttermilk. And with a spoon or a wooden spoon, bring it all together. And it's really as simple as that. It's not the prettiest thing at first, but it will get prettier. Then you can put these into the oven and bake them, or you can put them in oil and fry them, or you can just put a little bit of oil in there and pan fry them, which is usually what I do. But I might do half and half this time so we can take a look at both. The oven preheating to 350 degrees. Then you want to take about a 1/4 cup of the mixture and form it into a patty, veggie patties. You could also do this on parchment paper or a silicone mat. Okay, and then put those into the oven. So let's go ahead and put half of them on the skillet with a little bit of oil, or a good amount. Let's make a delicious sauce. And for that, you'll just want some Dijon mustard of choice, as well as maple syrup or agave, and your favorite hot sauce. Mix that together. You can also add a little bit of oil if you'd like. And you end up with these delicious vegan and gluten-free fritters. It's quite a heavenly mixture of flavors. I really can't describe it. You're just gonna have to find out for yourself and get the recipe over at artisticvegan.com. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next time. Until then, bye. Carrot fritter. Truck going by. And today in the kitchen, we are making loud noises on the freeway. Corn and pea. No, wait, that's not right. All right, welcome back to another Artistic Vegan oh, geez. I'm gonna be featuring, so here we've made it to the end, and we have these delicious vegetable, vegan, and gluten-free. They're pea and carrot. I keep forgetting. Ugh, goodness, okay. Here we go. At the very end, you get some corn and carrot. No, wait, they're not corn.